I stretch my arms when I wake up. I check the fridge when I feel hungry. I wash my hands when they feel dirty. I fix my hair when I go outside. I lock the door when I leave home. I check the mail when I go outside. I open the garage when I need my car. I start the car when I am ready. I look around, when I park the car. I walk slowly when the road is busy. I choose fruit when I go shopping. I pay by card when I buy things. I carry bags when I go home. I put food away when I get home. I drink water when I feel dry. I sit down when I feel tired. I check the time when I wait. I stay inside when it rains. I turn off the fan when it is cool. I close my eyes when I feel sleepy. I feel lonely when I sit here alone. I feel quiet when I look outside. I miss my family when I see their photos. I cannot sleep when I think too much. I feel stressed when my mind is busy. I feel sad when I remember the past. I feel better when I sit in the sun. I feel warm when I hear your voice. I feel calm when everything is quiet. I feel hope when a new day starts. I smile when I see old memories. I relax when I breathe slowly. I feel peaceful when I hear soft music. I think deeply when I sit alone. I feel calm when I close my eyes. I feel free when I walk outside. I feel small when I see the sky. I feel heavy when my heart is tired. I feel okay when I accept things. I feel strong when I try again.